Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to Claude AI and are not sure what to do first, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to get started. So Claude AI is a powerful tool for writing, coding, and content creation. Let's go step by step from zero. Go to Claude AI, sign up with your email or Google account, then click New Chat. Now you're ready to use Claude. Start with simple prompts like explain AI in simple words or write a short script about making money online. This helps you understand how Claude responds. You can use Claude for actual work like your real tasks such as YouTube scripts, content creation, coding help, business ideas. This is where you start getting real value. And be specific about your prompts. Instead of just write a script, you can write a 3-minute YouTube script with hook, intro, 3 points, and outro. Remember, better prompts is equal to better results. And save your best prompts in a notes app so you can reuse them anytime. And that's how to start with Claude AI. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll improve fast. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.